Hey, my darling Scorpio friends. Ooh, welcome to Spirit Says So Tarot. This is a reading filled with messages from your angels, your archangels, your ancestors, your higher self, spirit guides, animal spirit, all the above. We'll go ahead and get your first card from Healing of the Angels, and then I will start the shuffling and drawing process for all of these gorgeous decks, and I will have the timestamp below for the beginning of the actual reading, along with the names of all of these lovely decks that we're going to be using. Spirit, please provide divinely guided messages for our darling Scorpio friends. What do their angels, ancestors, their higher selves, what do they need to tell them? What do our Scorpios need to know? What do they need to hear? Messages for the highest good only, please. Support. Okay. So with the support card from the Healing with the Angels, it really is all about your spirituality and either being supportive of other people's spirituality. Maybe you are a mentor or a counselor, but perhaps this may be a message for you that now is a time to seek spiritual guidance and support. All right, so with that said, I'm going to go ahead and start the shuffling and drawing process. Again, my darlings, the timestamp will be below. This is the Archangel Power Tarot. Spirit, same intention for our darling Scorpios. What do they need to know about spiritual support? What do they need to hear? What is going on for the beginning of 2023? Thank you, Spirit. Mystic Mondays is next. In Spirit, I would like 3 lovely cards from this deck, please. What does Scorpio need to know from their angels or their higher self or their spirit guides? What is going on? I mean, obviously, they're here for spiritual support. Otherwise, they wouldn't have checked in on this reading. So what else do they need to know? Oops. You spin me right round. Yeah, I can't sing, sorry. I don't know why I did that to you. I hope you can appreciate that I don't edit, I don't script. If you're new to me, then that's the way I roll. When I do private readings in person, there's no edit button. And I'm usually having a conversation with them while I'm shuffling and drawing. Spirit, same intention, please. What messages do our Scorpios, angels, ancestors, higher selves have for them? What is going on? What do they need to know? Messages for the highest good only, please. Thank you. All right, and that was the Light Seers Tarot. We are now working with the Mystic Dreamers Tarot. Same intention, 3 cards from this lovely deck, please, Spirit. Angels, what messages do you have for Scorpio? What guidance, what advice? Or maybe we just have kudos, you've done a great job so far. What's going on? Yes, thank you. All right, we are getting down to the wire, my Scorpios. We are now moving on to the Crystal Angels Oracle. Same intention for our lovely Scorpios, spirit, angels, or maybe your higher selves. What is going on? I'm going to take both of them. I felt it. I feel the energies, the lovely energies coming from the crystal angels. Fun fact for newbies, Diane Virtue is the same author or artist for the crystal angels, the angel therapy, and healing with the angels, if you didn't know that already. Spirit, what do the angels or ancestors need our lovely Scorpios to know? Thank you. Last but not in the least, Oracle of the Fairies. All right, Spirit. Everybody needs a fairy in their life. What is going on for my Scorpios? My darling, darling Scorpios. What do they need to know? What do they need to hear? Not necessarily what they want to hear. Thank you very much. All right, Scorpios. If you have stuck with me through the shuffling and drawing process, thank you very much. I hope you found it entertaining and not annoying. All right. Thank you, my darling Scorpios. I appreciate the opportunity to do this reading for you. You have support. So now is the time that either perhaps you need to seek out spiritual support and guidance, which you are by checking this reading out, or maybe there's guidance that you need to bestow upon somebody in your network. So with the Fairies Oracle, we have wisdom. Have you ever been told that you're wise beyond your years? Now is the time to call upon your inner fairy wisdom to help you with a challenge. I love the green, and it looks like there's even snow on the trees there. So you're very wise, my Scorpios, which of course you are. Fairies, hello. Yes, you definitely need fairies in your life, Scorpios. You have a strong bond with the fairies, and your life purpose involves helping Mother Nature. What a beautiful, colorful card. So maybe you are support, because I feel like this flows. The colors in this gorgeous fairies card. I mean, look at the word fairies here, and then the color down here, support, the same blue, then we have the same purples. Yellow jasper, control issues. Utilize your God-given strength and power instead of fearing that others may try to control you. So maybe that could just be an insecurity that you have, or maybe you are actually experiencing others trying to control you and your life journey. Gold, divine intervention. God sends miracles to answers sincere prayers. To answer sincere prayers. That took me a moment. God sends miracles to answer sincere prayers. I am going to put that right here with the support, because you are getting support right from the Holy Spirit. Wow, Scorpios. That is very positive. That is very awesome. I love the connection. I love the energies. Five of Pentacles, yeah. So you have been either recently or you are currently feeling, I feel like there is either a financial concern going on, not necessarily with you. I feel like you might have your act together with your own finances, but like many others in this world, we are codependent. And I feel like there is some strife there. But there is help, okay? So all this person down here needs to do and all this person right here needs to do is turn around and enter. Enter that church. Okay, so help is there. You don't have to be so prideful for those who are very prideful. Pride is also a display of insecurity too. So the Ace of Wands, all right. Definitely looking for a new beginning, my darling Scorpios. You are for sure looking for some sort of a new beginning, whether that be a spiritual beginning, maybe you need to renew your spirituality, or perhaps it very well could be a new beginning for a business. Again, finances, maybe you're trying to be creative in how to overcome the Five of Pentacles here. Yep, you are really fearing something is going to shut down on you. Now, for some of you, I am feeling, my darling Scorpios, that you may suffer a loss. That could be a loved one passing on, or the loss could be an ending of a love relationship. But for the majority of the energies coming in and the messages from the angels that are currently at this assembly, this is really just about knowing, I feel like your inner self, your spirituality, knowing that God has your back no matter what's going through. Now, whether you are the one that needs to convey that, again, you very well may be someone who counsels others, or perhaps now is a time for you to obtain that spiritual counsel. Let's take a look, see. The Knight of Swords. Okay, so a message very well may be coming in very soon, within hours from the time that you see this reading, to days at the latest, a week or so. But a message very well may be coming in soon. We'll get back to that. Ace of Pentacles. Yep. So a new beginning has been offered in your very recent past. That could be because you did seek assistance. So someone very well could have been offering a hand up. Or, again, this could be you if the tables are turned, Scorpio. You very well could be the one offering a new beginning to somebody. And for those, this could also be related to those who have lost in a love relationship. Your lover has moved on. You may have a new offer of love coming in. Now, I know that this is the Pentacles and not the Cups. But, of course, the Pentacles is grounded. It's earthly. It's tangible. Remember that. Tangible. You may have a new love offer coming in, or you may have had a new love offer recently coming in. That has come in, sorry. That wants a commitment from you right out of the gate is what that is an energy that I'm getting from this new beginning offering. with the earth element here. So there are different stories going on here for you, Scorpios. Please take only what resonates. There's a lot going on. Scorpio's got a lot of angels and ancestors and spirits that look out for you. That's awesome. A little overwhelming for me, but that's okay. I'm here for it. All right. So, the Knight of Cups. Hello, Scorpios that are seeking love. It's coming. All right. So, for now, I think we can wrap up. For those of you who have lost love, new love is coming your way, Scorpios. That is for sure. Dust did not settle on, or did not settle under you. You weren't single for long. The Star. All right. So for all of you, though, you all feel like you've been broken down and that you are ready and willing for a new venture, a new beginning, renewed or new spirituality. But yes, each and every one of you darling Scorpios are definitely hitting this star. There's no doubt about it. So, control issues. Feeling the Five of Pentacles does leave you with a sense of you don't have control over what's going on. For those of you who are seeking assistance and a new beginning, you are feeling woe is me, and I don't mean that wrong or judgmental in any way. I'm just putting it out there, okay? We're all human. I'm your sister friend here. But right now, your only issues with control is internally, because you do not have control over your finances at the moment. Others do. And because you are a hard worker and you are very humbled by this concern, you don't like it. Rightfully so. You don't like it. You're very honorable. Okay, and it has broken you down and you're ready for a new beginning. Don't worry about the control issues, and it is okay to accept the offer of assistance. It definitely is okay. That's why it's there. Because you will pay it forward. There's no doubt. Your angels are saying that. This is coming in, okay? This is not... I am not living at all. This is what your angels are saying. New love is definitely coming in. For those of you who feel that you are not in control, you're also lacking love for yourself. You're not liking yourself very much, but you're going to learn to love yourself again, okay? You are definitely going to learn to love yourself. Ten of Swords, yeah. So this position for the Ten of Swords, your angels, the archangels, your spirit guides, your earth angels, your loved ones, your brothers, your sisters, me, your sister friend. We all know you're ready to close a chapter. You're ready to get over this obstacle that you are going through, and you're ready to just move on and keep that star lit and keep following the stars and following the gold. Let God in if you haven't already, but I feel like you already have. Let your fairies in. You all are wise, and it's just, this is just a temporary thing. Your future is about getting through this financial crisis. I feel strongly that it's financial crisis, okay? I don't think that you're losing a loved one. And again, there may be a small percentage of the small percentage of you that are actually drawn to this reading, okay? Because this is made up of all kinds of energies, no BS. A small percentage of you may be losing a loved one, and I'm very sorry for your loss if that is the case. But the majority of my darling Scorpios, this is about finances. Some, it's about lost love. You're going to get that back. Those who have lost or will be losing a loved one from this universe, you will be able to overcome the remorseful. Missing them did come in. So yeah, so some of the angels that are here about lost loved ones passing on, they're here to comfort you. Even some of them are in here saying, we got this, we're good, I'm at peace. Please don't fret. Get control over your own lives. Know that I am watching over you, and know that I love you. Okay. Thank you, Spirit. Whew. All right, so on for the majority of you. Magician is up next. Okay. You are number one. You see how she's holding the world in her hands. And the red behind her, the red is her shadow right now. It is also part of the long flowing hair. But it is the shadow. The shadow is very powerful, very strong, very creative. So your higher self is telling you that things are going to work out. You are going to put your skill to use along with your spirituality. You see this dress, sorry. You see the dress of spirituality and the blue coat, cloak, the gown. It's all blue, okay? A lot of spirituality. Look at the halo around her. Very spiritual. Divine intervention for you. Oh, wow, we got the star again. So, yes, the star. Archangel Power. If I said that incorrectly, please correct me. A dream come true. Believe in yourself. The end of a difficult situation. Look at that. Oh, my goodness. All right, my darling Scorpios. You know, times may seem tough, but you are fierce, and you are fearless, and you are passionate and creative, and you will get through this. Trust your intuition. The Holy Spirit himself has shown up for your reading, and I gotta tell y'all, you're the only ones he's done that for so far. So, with that said, I wish all of you luck. I hope this reading resonated with you, at least some of you. If it did not, that is okay. Not every reading can resonate with every single Scorpio. That would be really, really strange. Please hit that like button for me. That means a lot. Leave a kind comment below if you haven't already. If you haven't tapped that subscribe button yet, what are you waiting for? And please hit the notification button. Feel free to share this video as well. Everything you do helps my channel grow. Until next reading, my darling Scorpios, take care. Bye.